Karen's organising a party for a charity and she spends this money on a food hall and DJ. Right, so what's her total cost? Just add these up. 200 plus 100, £300. And she sells 54 tickets for the party. Each ticket costs £7.50. So we can work out how much money she's going to make. So cost and sales. It's going to be 54 times 7.5. Just put that in your calculator. And it's 405. Yeah, I'm now going to show you two ways to get the percentage profit. First way is to use just the idea of multipliers, that new equals old times multiplier, but I'm just going to need to convert it a little bit because I don't have a new and an old as such. I've got cost and sales, but this idea still works. So we've got the 405 is actually the new amount, really. It's it's what we've got after um like it's kind of our we pay some money and then we get some money back, and it's what we're sort of have at the end. So that's why I'm calling it the new value. And then we've got our 300, and that's going to be we're going to be multiplying by something. And that multiplier is our essentially how we get our percentage. For example, if you had if you had say £200 and you wanted to increase it by 10%, you would times by 1.1. I've gone from increasing by 10% to the multiplier 1.1, and that would actually be 220. So I'm just kind of using this formula, but the point is here, I want to find the multiplier, 405 over 300. So whenever I'm doing percentage increase or decrease questions where I want to find the percentage increase or decrease, this is what I use. I just use because this equation allows you to work out percentage increases, like you can work out the new amount, but you could do the reverse percentage with the old amount, and you can also work out the percentage change. So one equation just does so much. Okay, so I'm going to get the multiplier. It's 405 divided by 300, and that gives me 1.35. And like I said before, a 10% increase gave me 1.1. If it's 1.35, that means there's a 35% increase or a 35% profit. So you could write it as 135%, and you can see it's gone up by 35%. Okay, that's the way I would do it. There is another way, and it's to learn a formula. It's a little bit like when you learn percentage. So sometimes people learn percentage increase is the increase divided by the original times 100. I see that used quite a bit. Now, there's a similar one for profit. Percentage profit is going to be the profit, because that's our increase, and then it's divided by the cost times 100. So you have to remember it's the cost. It's like the original, or you can remember it's the original, like I was talking about before. It's like, you pay that money up front. Um, and then the the profit is going to be the difference. So 105 over 300 times 100. And this is directly going to give us 35. So that's the nice thing about it. It's just an extra formula to remember. That's what I don't like about this method. Okay, so like you can see, we get 0.35. If you times that by 100, you will get 35. So two approaches, both giving 35% at the end.